Hey guys, JT here with a quick update on my Force RC Outbreak 4-wheel drive monster truck. I did go ahead and put a brushless system in here. For those of you that are familiar with some of the Arrma systems, I did go ahead and purchase one of the Arrma brushless systems. So basically I am going to be running this in here. This is a 3800 kV motor, and you guys see right down here, this is an actual direct fit. If I can get this to point down up in here, just to let me turn this light on for a second. It's gonna be a little dirty, so don't try to get me too bad in the comments. But anyway, the regular ESC actually screws in to these screw holes, and this Arrma ESC screws right in, so I don't have to worry about making any cuts in the chassis and trying to double side tape or anything down. Matter of fact, here is the ESC that actually comes stock in it. This brush one comes stock out the box with it. So you see it's got these two things on the side where you can actually screw those in. And then I also changed out, this is the pinion gear that comes with it. I told you guys in the final review that it's kind of a plastic one. But they give you a 14 and a 15 like this. So I went ahead and I took this out. Actually, that's the 14. This is the 15 here. You guys see it's kind of wearing down too. And I've only run this brushed, and I've run it several times. So eventually this is going to actually wear out and cause problems. So I do recommend going ahead, if you guys get this and you're going to continue to run it for long periods of time, even if you stay brushed, just to go ahead and change this pinion gear. I just put a 15 in there. So that's a quick, just like I said, update on this. I wanted to show this to you guys. I'll have to double side tape this on-off switch. Probably maybe right there or something like that. And then I'll get some running videos of this. So you guys stay tuned, running videos on this. I'm just going to run it on 2S. I also went ahead and went in. I had talked about in the final thoughts about fitting a 2S Lipo in here. So I just made a small cut right here, kind of like a rectangular cut, just so that my cords or my wires can stick out my balance clip, so that's not getting trapped or pinched or anything when I put this battery down up in here. I could have done it on this side as well if I wanted to mount the battery this way, but it's not going to matter. I mean, I still have the spacer in there and stuff like that as well. So that's just a brushless update on this, and I'll get some running videos of this running with the stock gearing. Is 15 too. I just changed the pinion gear and stuff out. So guys, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not. Join me on Facebook. You can always find new stuff that's actually coming out on Facebook before it hits YouTube as well, as far as information. So, and also sometimes there's manufacturers that come on there and put actual coupon codes and stuff as well. So you guys might want to check out my Facebook page and go ahead and join me there as well. So as always, guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.